how should I think of a building in terms of the indoor air relative to outdoor air? Like how do buildings maintain that separation between what's might be going on outside and what's going on inside?
So depending on the building and the system design, some buildings are monitored with pressure sensors, fresh air sensors, CO2 sensors, as Todd's referenced earlier, talking about CO2. And then really, it again depends on the building system. Some systems in some buildings were old enough that they were designed with what we call a 3% openable. That means if a building has windows, doors, etc., that if you open them, equated to 3% of the building's fresh air intake, they didn't need anything mechanical to bring in fresh air. And this is where we start to run into all the issues, right? Some buildings are newer, designed differently, so then they are bringing in fresh air. So at that point, you're mixing the two together and you're not really separating them per se.